fix that. All right. Found it. All right, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Let it stay cold. If I can get the lid to shut. I hate these things sometimes. They don't shut like they're supposed to. Look at that. See? You get one side in and the other pops out. Got it. There you go. Alrighty. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna have for lunch. What do I want for lunch? I don't want to grill myself chicken. I like it when you grill it. Because then I don't have to do it. Alright. So I got... Oh, one time my mom was funny. What are you making? When? Oh, I don't know when I'm making the cheesecake. I don't need it till Monday. Wait, are we doing it Sunday? Did she say she wanted to come Sunday? All right, so I need it Sunday, so I need to at least make it by Friday. So I'm gonna make both cheesecakes by Friday. I think that's when I'm gonna make it Friday. Huh? I got what?
You got all the stuff.
I do have all the stuff. Yes, I do. I have all the stuff for my cheesecake. I think I have enough cellophane. Oh, I may not have butter though. Unsalted butter? Yeah. But if I make two, I need 2 sticks. Oh, yeah. You know what? I have all different colors in this top too. I have white and black and pink. Look, did you see this? Little Debbie makes powdered donuts. I got those from my husband. And look, Hostess makes strawberry. Those are good too. It's a skull and a viper. See the snake? I like how he did the head of the snake, which is really cool. Because that's kind of how I really wanted it. I didn't want it to look really fake. Thank you! I think so. Look, I dropped onions on the floor. Alright, I need to figure out. I do have a salad I could eat. What? Yeah. I'm just gonna eat one.